up on McNiel Today, we have a rundown of yesterday's basketball games.
Plus, we'll tell you how to help families go through difficult times. McNiel Today begins right now.
Good morning, I'm Annie Beth.
And I'm Owen.
The Mustangs and Lady Mustangs faced off against Burke Burnett on the hardwood yesterday. Let's start with the boys' scores. The 7th grade B team won over Burke 58-6. The high point scorer was Rafael Ortiz with 16. Moving on to A team, they defeated Burke Burnett 45-21. Keaton Bristow made 16 points during the game. Both teams are now 2-0 on the season. Moving on to 8th grade, the B team won 58-23. Caden Jones was the high scorer with 10 points. The A team also defeated Burke Burnett 51-37. High scorer was Jamarion Carroll with 16 points.
Moving on to the Lady Mustangs, the 7th grade B team lost to Burke 16-17. High scorer was Sadie Romero with 4 points. The A team won over Burke 38-26. High scorer was Kyra Taylor with 14 points. On the 8th grade side, the B team was victorious over Burke 28-23. High scorer was Corinne Ashcraft with 6 points. The A team also defeated Burke 54-12. The high scorer was Ashley Knight with 13 points.
Yesterday, athletics kicked off their annual appeal for Hospice of Wichita Falls. You should have received a donation card yesterday during your 4th period. Please take home the cards where your family can decide if you would like to participate. All donations go to Hospice of Wichita Falls, who helps families who have a terminally ill member. All donations will need to be returned by December 13th. Hospice will be presented with the McNiel donation on Radio Day, which is December 14th.
You have one more opportunity to get your questions answered about endorsements. The last informational meeting is being held today. It begins at 5:30 at the Career Education Center. If you're an 8th grader, make plans to be there.
UIL Ready Writing will meet this afternoon after school, and UIL Impromptu Speaking will meet on Thursday afternoon. Both meeting after school beginning at 3:05 in Mrs. Ream's room, D136. If you are interested or have questions, please see Mrs. Courtney Reams.
If you're interested in UIL spelling or art appreciation, please see Miss Shelby Rolfe in G125 for more information and study material. These events are open to all 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. Practice will begin today in G125 after school.
It's time for weather. Here's Lainey.
Thanks. Currently outside it's 30 degrees and overcast. Winds are out of the northeast at 10 miles per hour. It was really cold this morning, but will it stick around? Let's take a look at the next 3 days. Today, mostly sunny with a high near 47. Tonight, partly cloudy with a low around 29. Tomorrow, sunny with a high near 57. Tomorrow night, mostly cloudy with a low around 45. Thursday, a 20% chance of rain afternoon. Mostly cloudy with a high near 53. That's a look at your weather. Now back to the desk.
Here's what's being served today in the cafeteria. Chicken spaghetti, pork carnitas, beef enchiladas, buffalo chicken pizza, and cheese pizza. Tomorrow's breakfast will be breakfast burritos, orange and yogurt, and vanilla yogurt parfait, and cold cereal.
We do need your news and information. Here are 2 easy ways to get it to us. You can email it to us at across@wfisd.net or drop it off to us in room D138. Remember that we do need your information by 5 p.m. the day before to ensure that it will make the show.
That's all for today. Remember that you can always watch the show again on Facebook and YouTube.
Go out and make it a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.